In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple automated to-do list in Monday.com. This process is quick, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure it's as seamless as possible. To kick things off, make sure you log in to your Monday.com account. Once you're in, the dashboard will welcome you. This is your starting point, and everything you build stems from here. Notice on the left side of your screen, there's a section dedicated to workspaces. This area is where your projects reside, and it's organized for easy access and management. Keep an eye out for a small plus sign in this section. This plus sign is your ticket to adding something new, like our project for the day, creating a new board. Now, creating a board is a crucial step as it lays down the foundation for your to-do list. After clicking the plus sign to add a new board, a pop-up window will appear, ready for you to input a name. I recommend renaming this board to To-Do List. Choosing a clear and descriptive name will help you maintain an organized workspace and make everything easy to find later. Once you have your name set, go ahead and click Create Board. And there you have it. Your new board will appear on your screen, eagerly awaiting some customization. With your board created, you'll likely see a section titled Group on it. Click on this group title and rename it to To-Do List as well. By doing this, you're keeping all your tasks categorized neatly under one umbrella, which makes them easier to follow and manage. You might notice some pre-populated default items in your table. These are placeholders that you can remove to clear the space. Just click the checkbox next to each item to select them. At the bottom of your screen, you'll find a Delete button. Clicking this will wipe the slate clean, making way for your personalized tasks. Now, it's time to add your first task. Look for the Add an Item option on your board. Click on it and enter the first task you want to list. Once you finish typing, simply hit Enter. Your task will instantly appear on the list, marking the start of your organized workflow. To enhance your tracking, click into the blank spaces in your table to add details. Fill in information such as who the task is assigned to, its due date, and its current status. These details will significantly boost your ability to monitor progress efficiently. Should you need more structure, feel free to add additional columns. Look to the right side where you see the existing columns and click on the plus sign. This flexibility allows you to include any additional categories you might need for comprehensive task tracking. By following these straightforward steps, you'll craft a robust to-do list that elevates your organizational workflow on Monday.com. Now, managing your tasks has never been more effortless.